Bullish Nexo cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.79 and $5.27 by 2030. Market experts accept Nexo could reach $2.17 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 49 cents. Nexo presentation researchers learned one thing on account of the development of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked vigorously to foster a unique cryptographic money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable nearby cash. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into a thorough value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a positive option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt advance in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their financial balances. Nexo principal examination notwithstanding being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is incredibly powerless and, as other digital currencies, is intensely dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a huge increment that proposed a critical degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Be that as it may, it showed basically level energy until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents, yet it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Startlingly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed terrible showing, the Nexo cost showed security, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a huge expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. The cost of Nexo has a splendid standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady unwavering quality, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many tasks will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive venture than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly for a really long time. As per all suitable cost expectation information, Nexo is at present worth 61 cents USD. Nexo has moved 3.15% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,628,977. Nexo is right now positioned 92 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $354,272,630 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Nexo Value Expectation 2023 Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 92 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 86 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 74 cents. Nexo Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Nexo cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.55. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.24 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.36. Nexo Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.17 and any XO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Any XO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.98 and a low of $1.86 in 2025. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Nexo effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the NEXO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEXO will be green in 2026. The NEXO is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.79, with a base cost of $2.48 and a typical cost of $2.60. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the NEXO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.22 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.10 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, NEXO has a greatest value worth of $3.41. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.84. On the off chance that NEXO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.03. Neglecting to accumulate the help NEXO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.72. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. While NEXO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $4.34 and a yearly cost close above $4.65 in 2029. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $4.96 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $5.27, averaging out at $5.08. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest NEXO cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.07 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $5.82. And the cost of the Nexo presently doesn't foresee what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is subject to the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how a NEXO will foster from now on. You could likewise explore the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a money's careful worth ahead of time because of the unstable idea of the digital currency market. A notable digital money that has so far been fruitful